Deixa a tua marca.
Deixa a tua marca. Vou falar aqui com uma guia do barco, que foi uma experiência incrível. Ela chama-se Ma, right? Your name is Ma?
Yes.
Eu vou falar com ela. Estamos aqui num pôr do sol que é lindíssimo. E eu vou falar com ela, tendo uma experiência, falando um pouquinho aqui com os locais, não é? Tendo as opiniões verdadeiras. Ela vai falar um pouquinho sobre a Tailândia e tal. E let's go. Hello, Ma. How are you?
Hello everyone. I'm good.
I just a few questions for you.
Yes.
First of all, thank you so much for the great experience. I am Portuguese, and I hope more people Portuguese come here to Thailand because it's a paradise. And the first question for you is about how many years you work in this job?
I work here. I work about this job about 8 or 9 years ago.
Very well, very well. And which is your best part of your job?
So I like my job because of I think it's more relaxed. So it's no computer here, it's no number here. But my office is only the nature and island. So I can go swimming every time and I can go snorkel every time. That's why I love it. I love my job so much. Yeah.
Very well. And I will ask you about the weather. Now of course the weather is so great. That's the reason I come here, because in my country Portugal is so cold. And all the year is hot here, is warm or not?
So in Thailand we do have 3 seasons. We have rainy, summer and winter. But winter is not at all. But in the south,
it's warm as well, winter.
Yeah, it's hot all the time. So everyone.
But it's raining a lot, right?
Right. In the south, we have a lot of the rainy, but not all the time. Yes. Yeah. 8 months we have rainy, but not all the months. So we have only 3 or 4 months, or 3 or 4 days rain, and then they will stop. Yeah. Not all the time.
Very well.
And the weather, they will be like this. It's hot. Yeah. Maybe they are 29, 30.
It's tropical.
Yeah. Something like that. Yeah.
And I will ask you as well about the tourism. What do you think about the tourism in Thailand? Change a lot Thailand in the last years or not? Good things, bad things? You speak your true vision, please.
Our tourism, we have everything. If you like our culture, you can learn from everything.
The
so
temples.
we have four parts of Thailand. Every people, they are different. In the north, so the people speak slowly. In the center, so in Thai we use the original Thai at the center. Everyone speaks center, but every part we have our own language.
Right.
And everything here, you can choose. You like island, you come to the south. You like jungle, you go in the north. Yeah.
So Thailand have diversity. Diversity, beach, culture.
Oh, we have everything. Yes.
And the people here is so nice. Is so open mind, right?
Yes, of course. So
and,
we kindness.
Yeah. Very kind.
Smile. Yeah. Land of smile. Always smile. And we like to help the people.
Yes,
if if someone wanna help, so we come and we help as soon as possible. So.
Yes, he's a very natural kind person. It's not obligation.
Yes.
Some like countries is very natural.
Yeah.
And I am from Portugal. I hope more Portuguese come here. In general, the Portuguese people go more to Mexico and Brazil, but I think the people see this video and come more here in Thailand because it's a wonderful country. The food as well is so great, the food.
Yes.
And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything, for the experience, and for share your vision with my channel. And yeah, say obrigado for Portuguese people. Obrigado is thank you.
Say again.
Obrigado.
Obrigado.
Obrigado. Obrigado.
Obrigado.
Yes, that's right. Obrigado is thank you.
Thank you very
in
much.
Portuguese.
Please come.
Thank you so much.
Please.
Deixa a tua marca. Segue-nos nas redes sociais, Facebook, Instagram e TikTok e junta-te à comunidade.